Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto wallet reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This comparison reflects my personal experiences using these wallets. Choosing the right crypto wallet depends on individual needs and priorities. In this video, we'll compare the KeepKey hardware wallet and the Jaxx Liberty software wallet, examining their features, usability, security, and target audiences to help you determine which is the better fit. The KeepKey wallet is a hardware wallet engineered for maximum security. It supports a broad portfolio of over 40 cryptocurrencies, including major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Its sleek design, robust construction, and large screen enhance user-friendliness, especially during transaction verification. KeepKey integrates seamlessly with Shapeshift, facilitating in-wallet exchanges without requiring external platforms. Its offline storage and PIN protection deliver robust security. However, the absence of Bluetooth or mobile integration makes it best suited for desktop users who prioritize security over on-the-go access. Alternatively, the Jaxx Liberty wallet is a software wallet recognized for its versatility and cross-platform compatibility. Supporting an extensive selection of over 80 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous altcoins, it caters to users with diverse asset holdings. Available as a mobile app, desktop application, and browser extension, it provides flexible access for managing crypto on the move. Its integrated portfolio tracker and in-app exchange streamline asset management. However, as a hot wallet, it is inherently more vulnerable to online threats compared to hardware wallets. While it offers security features such as a 12-word backup phrase for account recovery, the increased risk should be considered. Your ideal wallet choice ultimately hinges on your individual priorities. The KeepKey wallet is a perfect match for users who place a premium on security and are comfortable managing their cryptocurrency holdings from a desktop computer. It's an excellent option for long-term holders and those new to hardware wallets, providing a simple and secure experience. Conversely, the Jaxx Liberty wallet is best suited for users seeking a flexible, multi-platform solution with access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It's an ideal choice for active traders or those needing seamless wallet access across multiple devices. In conclusion, KeepKey excels for security-conscious users who prefer a hardware wallet, while Jaxx Liberty caters to users who prioritize versatility and convenient access. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which wallet best aligns with your needs.